guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to do this. So if this is your first time, I want you to click the like and subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, I want you to take a chair and let's go. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do here is let's remove this background. Let's take away the background and let's use a black color. After then, let's write the text. And we are using a slant text. So I got the idea of the slanting of the text because it's a stitches company. So I thought that as a scissors usually pierce a cloth, yeah, that the front should also be pierced by a line. So we'll be using a front style called let me show you guys. We'll be using this font style. You can download it, Golden Bang, Yellow Bang. You can see it on Google or Chrome. So very soon I'll be doing a video on how to install font on the Basil app. Just stay tuned. Yeah, so I clicked on it. Then let's increase the size to okay, it's already 45. So after you have it in 45, then you bring out your line, your shape, try and make a little bit of straight line, rectangle. Then after, let's reset. So the width, you try to reduce it to 1%, and this you reduce the height to 14%. Let's see how it comes. It's a little bit, so you can just increase it if it's a little bit small. Yeah, so when you get that, try and bring it to the center. After you bring it to the center, you go to your rotate, then you rotate it to angle 17. Yeah, after then bring it to the center. Okay, it's already in the center. Try and place it like this. After then, copy this text. Then copy text you edit. You write your then you bring it here. After, try and align it. When it's well aligned, you go to your text, you write the stitches. After you have written it, let me show you the font we'll be using. We'll be using main font. Yeah. After then, check it must be 45. It's 45. Then bring it to the center. Try and align it as well. Once you get the aligned part, copy the text as well. Then you edit it to write the remaining part. So bring it to the center. After you have done that, to add more effect to it, you can make some little adjustment. To add more effect to it, I'll be changing the color. Yeah, I'll be changing the color of some of the. So for the stitches, I want to bring this a little bit down. So for the stitches, I'll be using this color. Now let's use the color for premium. be using this color. And this one as well, this color. So for those that want the color, let me just show you how to get the color. So for you to get this color, I'll be showing the link now. So yeah, here's the number. So you can just type this one out, this too. So you just go here, your pen, then you type 136. I'm correct. Let me check again. Okay, 13675 13675 F. You see, you get the color. So after you have gotten the color, let's write one more thing. So making every rule count. Change the font style to let's use something regular. Yeah, then reduce the size to around 19. And once you've done that, bring it. Yeah. After then, ensure it's in the center. Okay, so once you have something like this, you go to your background layer, then you type transparent, then you export it as, let me show you, you ensure you export it as PNG. Ensure you export it as PNG. If you export it as GPG, it will come out as with background, and we don't want that. So let's use default, or you can use ultra. Let's use ultra, then save it to our gallery. So once that is done, you you exit, then you search www.photopea.com. So you click on it, then you access it. After then, you will wait for it to load. It will take a little bit of time for it to load, but just ensure you wait. Yes. So after it opened the interface, you see a line here, a box template. You click on the template. After then, you wait for it to load as well. Yeah, it's loading. So once it loads, to bring a lot of templates for you to use as mockups. So it's you that will determine the one you want to use, because there is a lot of template here at photopea. It's just like you using Photoshop. We will get to that. So once it has loaded, you will scroll up, because I will you where I will be using. Alright, so this is the one we are going to use. Then you click on it. It will bring another layer. Just be patient. Then you smooth to the down part. You will see a link here, photopea.com. Then you click on that link. Now ensure you have patience here. Don't try and double tap anything. Just wait for it to load. So it's loading already at the background. So when it finishes loading, it will take you to a layer like this. So this is what you will see. So I want to make this disclaimer: when you are using this website, ensure you have your mobile data on and you have sufficient data. So the next thing, you see a panel here, the layers panel, which I'll be clicking. So once I click it, it will bring another interface here. So now look, the place where it says your logo here, you won't click on that, but you will click on the white box beside it. So you double click on it, you click on it twice. So I'm going to be doing that right now. So it will open another layer for me. So it's once it's opened this layer, I will close the layer bar there. Then I will go to files here, then I will click on open and place. So once I've done that, it will take me to my phone gallery. No, not camera. So it will take me to my phone gallery. So I'm going to click on pixel lab, then the logo we did, bring it in. So it will load also, so please ensure you have patience. Yeah, the app is the website is actually a little bit kind of slow, but I love the app. It's really worth it. The website, I mean. So you try and expand your logo to fit me. So once you get the fitted size that you want to, depends on you go to the layer bar once again, click on it, then you see something that is looking like an eyes. We don't want the other, so the one behind it, you click the eye button. So once you click it, it will make it less visible. So after then you collapse the layers bar, then you go to your files once again, you will save as smart object. Once you save as smart object, then you collapse this layer up here, so then your design is ready. So then you export it. You go to export. You can export it as different type. You can export it as PNG, you can export it as JPG, any form, but I would love to export it as PNG. So let's go to the export, then let it load. Now you remember I told you that this website is all about loading. Then here it is. You can change the size, you can do anything. You can just click on the save button, then your image is saved. So thank you once again for watching. Please do well to subscribe and share the video. See you next week.